Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambhu from CloudTech. Today's session I will talk about AWS CloudFormation, and with this session our agenda is like how we can provision like S3 bucket and how we can create a EC2 instance. Okay, and there are two different mechanisms I will follow here. One is the ready to use template, and other one is like by using the design how we can do that. Okay guys, so I'm already logged in AWS console. So this is my AWS console Virginia region, and I'm in the clouds formation already. So if you just click search here, like it will come here. So you can click here. Once it's come to this page, right? Let's click on create stack. Basically stack, but nothing but like not only S3 or EC2. By using that, you can deploy or you can create any service like VPC, Lambda, security group, whatever you want to do, right? Manually, whatever you are doing, same thing we can do. Basically, this stack is nothing but a container. In this container, like we can maintain like one particular like environment, like a dev or QA. Suppose I create a dev stack, and in the dev stack, what all service I would like to include, I can specify it here. In Azure, we used to call the resource group as a container, and there we used to specify all the resources. And here is a stack. Okay, guys. So here we have multiple options. One is the ready to use template. If we have already template, we can use it. And one is the create template in the design. Okay. These two options I will demonstrate today's session. And for ready to use template, I will go to create that S3 bucket, and create template designer, I will go to EC2 instance. Okay, guys. So to upload the template, there are two options here. One is the by S3 bucket, another one is the upload from the local file. Okay. For designer, I will use S3 bucket, and for that ready to use template, let's use the local file so that both we can cover here. Okay. So let me first show you that how the templates code. So this is my create bucket template is already ready. So let me show you that code first. It's a very simple template. There is nothing extra I have written, like no policy, all this. Simply how we can create the bucket to get better idea, understanding of this. Okay, guys. And there are also, if possible, like parameterized also you can do, or bucket policy also you can create. But today's session, I will not go to that. Just go to simple, how we can create a bucket. Okay, guys. So same thing, I have, this is the S3 bucket creation, and this template I have already uploaded to my AWS. Okay, let me show you that. This is the bucket is uploaded. Okay. So next, go to the next. Here the stack name. Since I don't have specified any parameter, right? In my EC2 creation, I will show you these parameters also, how we can dynamically pass the parameter. Okay, guys. So let's give the bucket name, stack name S3 create. Okay. So the next. Here, these are the optional IAM road. If you want, you can give. If you want specified tag, you can give like something like that. Action S3 bucket, thing like that. If you want, you can specify one or also like there. Okay. So you can specify as per your requirement tag. This is also optional. If you want, you can specify. But here is some limit, only max 50 unique like tag you can specify, not more than that. Okay, guys. And here one interesting option is there, stack failover option. So this point keep in mind always, like here two option, rollback all stack resource. This is the one option. If you do select this one, you cannot update, or you cannot retry, or you cannot retrigger if somewhere it is get failed, right? So let's go by two session. Let's show you this option, and issue to create, I will show you this one, so that both the option I will can you can differentiate. Okay, guys. Let's create by using this. Let's go to the next. These are the action, dev, owner. This is the preview. Okay. So let's, before that, let me show you that. I hope I don't have that bucket, whatever bucket name we are going to create, right? So let me show you that what all bucket we have here. Delete this bucket. This bucket. Let's go to here. Now I have only one bucket here. So let's try to run this. Let's submit. Split bucket does not exist. Oh my goodness. I did mistake. That bucket actually created by this one only. Let's try again. Sorry for that. So let's upload. This one. Go to the next. Doc. It. Let me try again. Okay. So let's go to the next. Keep that S3 bucket. Okay, guys. So let's go. And this is the option. Let's keep this one. And EC2, I will do this one. So this is the very important. Otherwise, you cannot retrigger this. Okay. If you select this rollback all the stacks resource, you cannot retry. So let's next go to that submit. Okay, guys. So now you can see here, this is the in progress. So here all the step now initiated S3 bucket resource creation initiated. Now once it is done, it will be either failed or successful. Show you that. So let's go to here. See our bucket creation. This is the bucket name we have given, right? So this bucket is created successfully. Nothing object is there, but yeah, like this we can create a bucket by using CloudFormation. Okay, guys. So it's create and it's complete successful. Okay. So if anything goes fail, you cannot retry here. So since everything is successful, right? So it's fine now. Okay, guys. So now let's show you how we can create a what I can say like how we can create like EC2 by using template design. Right? Let's select the design here. Go to the create template design. So it will open the UI and you have to drag and drop your instance. So that let me show you that. How we can do. So here all the services, which all service you can create, right? Suppose you don't know the template or you don't know the syntax, all right? Because whatever code we have template we have shown, that is the YAML. Here two type of support is there, either JSON or YAML. If you go to the example here, this is the example file, and these are for EC2. These are the syntax is there. These are the parameter is there. Okay, guys. So I will give this link to this description also. Okay, guys. So let's go to the EC2 here. This is the EC2. Let's see. And here EC2 we have these are the options. So let's first go to the instance to drag and drop it. And if you want security group also, we can do here. Let me show you security group. Right? These two we can specify it. So if you check the metadata template, right, all this thing is created. One is the EC2 instance and one is the security group. Like this we can create, and here only this property we have to specify. These are the properties. So if you see that property like the mandatory thing is that image ID. So this is the image ID is mandatory, and instance type. These two property we have to specify here. What we can do, just we need to take this image ID here, copy, and we have to paste here. That's it in this property section. An image ID you can get from, let me show you from where you can get the image ID. So go to the EC2. That is, image ID is nothing but AMI. If you have your own AMI, then you can use that AMI. If you don't have any AMI, right? See here, this image ID is nothing but Amazon machine image ID. Since here we don't have any AMI, right? So we can take the Amazon marketplace. So how we can get that? So while you will launch EC2 instance, right? Let me show you that. And if you browse here, so here we can get that AMI ID. So this is the ID we can specify it there. Okay, guys. So this is how we can specify it, or you can do by query also. You can do like you can take the latest one and you can specify. Query means like this, but if you want to do latest image, right? If you want to specify it, then like this latest image, then you can do bash script. You can do this query, then you will get the latest image. Then that image it will be written something like that. Then you can use that one. Okay, guys. So like this we can do. Then what else we can specify in the properties? We can specify like instance type. This is important because if you are in free tier side, so always better to use T2 micro, right, instead of other service, because it will be chargeable. Right? So like this we can do. So I hope this you got idea. Okay. So I have already make it ready everything. So let me show you that. This is my EC2 instance creation. So here I have already parameter I have specified that key name, like key for SSH key, and instance type description, and default I specified T2 micro. And if dynamically how we can select that option also is there. And then that IP range, that whatever SSH, right, the security group, the IP range inbound, outbound, I have specified here. And then here we can type like the key name, everything. And this is the placeholder kind of thing you can specify, like dot not refer, right. By using this we can specify that placeholder dynamically it will take. Okay. And then port I have specified TCP and 2022 for SSH. Okay guys, so let's take this one and we can simply paste here. So how we can do? So let me just paste here, and if you just refresh, right, so now it will, whatever we have given here, it is loaded here. Now we need to validate this one, it is valid or not. So just click here, this cloud symbol is there, right? So if you click here like create stack, then we'll see like it will validate. Like if anything goes wrong here, then it will give some error. But since it's the valid, right, now it is uploaded to the S3 bucket, and from the S3 bucket it will going to create that EC2 instance. So before that, let me show you that if I have any EC2 instance or not. EC2 dashboard, I don't have any EC2 instance. Okay guys, so let's go here next. And here the options, like we can give the EC2 create stack, something like that. And parameter, I told you, right, dynamically we can set the parameter. If you use that parameter tags, and whatever parameter we specified, it will come here. So, and all that whatever drop down we gave the value there, right? So everything is coming here. So as per your, you can T2 micro is the recommendation way. Okay. And then here we can select that PEM file if you have already, otherwise you have to create. And this is the image ID I told you, right? We can by query, we can get like this. If you search here, you can get here. So this is the image ID. If you do just query on the if you have already configured AWS CLI, right, then you can run this kind of query. If you not yet watch my previous video about how we can do the AWS CLI configuration, please have a look. Then you can run this query, then you will get this. Otherwise, I will give this link to this video description. You guys directly get from the here that uh, that what I can say latest AMI ID. Okay. And this is the 00. Okay. And let's go to the T2 micro, and here the option, and this is the rollback option, so that we can retry. So, like, so let me do one thing here. Select it, right? So can we go back? Yeah. Here, okay, can, okay. Once you select, you cannot do unselect. Okay, no problem. Let's see how it is. So this is the thing, preview mode it is displaying. Okay, guys. So if you go down, let's submit this. So here multiple thing will do, right? Security group, then SSH key, then EC2 instance. So multiple option will come. So all are in progress. So now security group TSM is done. So we'll see now EC2 instance TSM is in progress. So let's go to the here. Let's see the security group. It is created or not. So if you click here, see, this is the security group just now is created. EC2, this is our stack name, right? So by using this tag name, the security group is created. And if you go here, see SSH and 00 port, right? If you just go here, 00 IP, this is the IP I have specified there, right? So it is taking. So we are good here. So let's see now instance is running. Checked. Yeah. So instance also deploy successfully. So let me check the CloudFormation what it is happening. If anything goes wrong, right, here it will come failed or success. You can filter here. Either it's completed, or failed one. You can check failed, nothing is failed, or in progress if you want, nothing in progress. Active, you can check both the active, or completed, or both the complete. Okay, guys. So like this, we can basically utilize the CloudFormation. I hope this session will helpful to you guys. And if you have any doubt or anything, please put your like doubt or question or suggestion in this video comment section. I will address definitely in my next subsequent video. Okay, guys, see you in my next video. And if it is this video is valuable to you guys, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel to support basically to me, and it will really inspire to me. Okay, guys, see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.